Next question, most common cause of blindness in the children. What is the most common cause of blindness in children? It is the vitamin A deficiency. While in cases of adults, the most common cause is the cataract. Refractive error is the most common cause of the low vision, while trachoma is the most common infection. Most common infection causing the blindness in India. Most common infection causing blindness in India is the trachoma. So again, an important question from community ophthalmology, and as such this vitamin A deficiency is again very important. What is the first symptom? If I talk about the first symptom of the vitamin A deficiency, then it is the loss of sensitivity. Yes, it is not the night blindness actually. First, it is the loss of sensitivity for the green light. Okay, so if this is also given in the option, first go with this, and this will be followed by the night blindness. This will be followed by the night blindness. And if they talk about the first sign, okay, first sign of the vitamin A deficiency will be the conjunctival xerosis. Then we will have the Bitot spots. Next will be the Bitot spots, and next to this will be the corneal xerosis. So order is also important. Now you are going to have the xerosis here also and xerosis here also. Why? Because there is a change of epithelium. Because there is a change of epithelium which is taking place from non-keratinized to keratinized stratified squamous epithelium. So basically it is the keratinization of epithelium which is also called as the hyperkeratosis. This is also called as the hyperkeratosis of the epithelium. We can also call it as metaplasia. Change of epithelium is what is responsible for the xerosis taking place in vitamin A deficiency.